नारे बोलो
जय माता दी,
प्रेम से बोलो
जय माता दी,
जोर से बोलो जय माता दी।
और साचे दरबार की जय।
With Durga Puja just a week away, Durga idol makers are giving final touches to the idols of the Supreme Goddess. Artisans create idols of various shapes and sizes as per demands over a period of several months, which starts from Mitti Puja. How Ma Durga comes alive from clay to flesh. Here's a look in this special report brought to you by Ananias. Akshaya Tritiya in India is considered as an auspicious day, and interestingly for idol makers it also marks the beginning of a set yet extremely complex process of breathing life into Devi Durga. It all starts with Mitti Puja, which is held in several parts of the country on a specific day or a suitable day based on ease of the idol maker. On the Hindu date of Akshaya Tritiya, clay for the idols is collected from the banks of a river, preferably the Ganges. Apart from this, handful of soil known as Punyamati is taken from the areas where sex workers live, often called the forbidden territories. The clay artisans start to breathe life in the images of Durga. Bamboo sticks cut in various shapes and sizes are required to make the basic structure of the idols of Goddess Durga and the platform on which the colossal statue stands. Durga's figure is given shape with straw tied with jute strings. Such is the perfection of idol making that the skeleton structure of bamboo and straw are done by one group of artisans, while the clay mixing and applications are done by another group, and finally the head, palms and feet are done by the highest graded artisans or pals. Further, applying layer of clay is divided into 3 stages. The straw figurine of goddess is applied with a first coat of clay solution where the percentage of water is high. This application helps to fill the crevices left by the straw. The second layer is applied with great caution as it is the most important layer, giving prominence to the figure. Palms, head and feet, which are separately made, are attached with the main torso at this stage. The artisans make the head of the goddess with fine clay, creating each feature with great care and skill. This piece of art, when completed, is dried. Liquid plaster of Paris is poured over it to create a mold. The figure is painted with white earth color. Finally, the whole statue is painted with pink or yellow earth colors. The last earth color applied is the blood color. The last of the parts painted is the eyes, which is painted on Mahalaya Day. Hair made of jute is glued and then the idol is dressed and then ornamented. You might have caught gripping glimpses of Durga Puja celebration in some Bollywood movies, to say Pradeep Sarkar's Parinita, Vidya Balan starrer Kahani and Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Devdas.
Powered by Ananias.